I'm Chris, the off-grid amputee. Come hop along with me. Look out, buddy. I had a storm blow off my rolled roof a few days ago, so I gotta get up there and figure out what's going on with that. So, let's see. I don't know. Get it open. Might need some help getting it up. I don't know yet. I don't know how. I don't remember how tall this ladder gets. So. There it is. Okay. They're all slightly different, so. This one's different. Some of the other ones I own. Just gonna go. Let's see.
What's the pool look like?
Oh, here we go. There's the hole right there, so I gotta get up to the next rung. Right there.
Hey, Dad, what's the pool look like?
Hang on, buddy. Dad's busy right now. Okay, hang on. Like normally it would have taken me a quarter of the time to do this, but hey, you gotta get stuff done, right? And I'll probably have to extend this. So since I'm gonna have to extend it, it's not gonna be high enough, so for now. Alright, well, let me see about getting it laid out and we'll do another segment. So I push those in. Let's see, I don't know. Usually I don't do everything by myself. Sometimes I have help, which is nice. But sometimes you don't have help. You just gotta do it. So there. There's that. I don't know. without locking them in. And then ladder facing the right way. Oh, yeah, I think so. Alright, well, once I get it up there, I can try to lock it in. I haven't done this part yet. So, let's see. Hang on, buddy.
Too
Hang on.
low.
Let's see here.
That is
I
too
think
low.
I got an idea. Sometimes you just make it up as you go. And that's what I have to do here a lot lately.
That is
Make it up as I go.
That is
Let's see,
neat.
that thing's in the way. Backyard's a wreck right now. But let's see here. But I have to clear that. Clear that. That's going to be the hard part. Let's see. Do you walk under a ladder? Is it bad luck? Some people say it's bad luck. That's a superstition. I don't know. Where does that come from, right? So, maybe I made it too far. Let's see. There we go. Good thing I've been going to the gym. That's one thing you gotta keep in shape for this. It's not for the faint of heart, the weak at all. Stay in shape. You'll live longer and you can do more stuff. Alright. So, these are locked in. Alright, here we go. So, maybe I get a little bit of a different angle. You don't want the ladder to fall out from underneath you. Stay in the ground here. Alright, let's see. And then I just kind of throw these down. And here we go. It's all about upper body strength.
Daddy.
Hang on, buddy.
I assume you
Hang on, dude.
will
Hang on, little
fall.
guy. I gotta go up here and look at the roof. Some damage done to our roof. A lot of times you want someone, for the bottom of your ladder, but I think we're good here. The ground's pretty soft and it's sticking pretty good. So.
Fall off there.
All right, yeah. So we got some damage up here. That's gonna have to be fixed. Okay, well, it's not as bad as I thought, but we're missing a section over there. And at least maybe cover it, staple it down, and put some caulk or some Flex Seal on there.
Well.
So, all right, well, we know that. Well, here I come down.
Well.
And then we'll figure out how to fix that roof.
Well, Dad.
I know this isn't the cabin, this isn't the off-grid cabin, but we're doing some repairs here at the house. So,
Dad,
be right back.
Right here.